Sony has some news about the upcoming PlayStation 5. Apparently, there's going to be a very limited quantity available at launch, and therefore, they're making pre-orders available on a registration and invite-only mode. And it's going to be a one PlayStation 5 per person type of pre-order in which you're going to put your name in the hat. You get selected, and then you've got a window of opportunity to pre-order the thing based on the invite. Everybody loves this exclusive stuff. You know, supply, demand. You know, the moment there's scarcity, people go wild. They go crazy. You mean I can't have one? I want one. It's like you didn't want one, though. I told you couldn't have one before you wanted one. Now you want one.
Yeah.
That's the human stuff.
The bandwagon.
Yeah, that's the human nature type of thing. Well, they see a lineup. What's this lineup for? I remember seeing some funny clips where people just get in the lineup, and then the news reporter comes and goes, why are you in this lineup? I don't know. I saw the lineup.
Yeah.
That's a real thing that happens with human beings. So according to Sony's announcement, there will be a limited quantity of PS5 consoles available for pre-order this holiday season. The invitation program is a chance for existing PlayStation customers to get their shot at being able to order the upcoming console. They want to take care of their diehard customers first. It will be attached to your PSN ID that you'll be able to pre-order a single console along with 2 of each of the new DualSense controllers and other PS5 accessories. This is available to US addresses, and the consoles will only be available while supplies last. So they're going to give you a leg up if you're a pre-existing PlayStation customer. It's another way, Will, to ensure that that they're not going to jump ship and move over to the other side, the dark side, the Microsoft side, in their eyes. And so they give you a little special treatment for being a pre-existing customer.